Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have a vlogging device which is gonna make your work very easy. So let's go to the unboxing. So let's go. Let's see what's inside this little box. This is the Sony ZV-1, an amazing product from Sony, which is made for vlogging for all the YouTube guys and all the Facebook and Instagram, TikTok guys that they want to make the experience and the workflow easier. So let's open the device and see. As you see, we have a 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixel camera, and it has the eye detection and the face detection, real-time autofocus, and the microphones on the top. So let's see. Well, packaging. Discover more. Save £100 buying lenses from Sony. We can't buy lenses because this device has a not interchangeable lens, but again, we might get something, maybe a microphone or something from Sony. Alright, let's see. Loads of manuals. And here is the camera itself. Very heavy device. But it looks amazing. Look at that. Already we have some fingerprints on it. We have this moving screen up and down, forward and backward. We have a provision to put microphones and flash on top of it. So let's see. This is the where you put the micro SD and the battery. So this is the anti-wind thing that it doesn't let the wind to abstract the sound from the microphones. It goes to that slot here. So let's try to put it on and see how it looks. Yeah. That's it. So basically, with that one, if it's windy, you're not gonna have any problems with wind, because they suggest not to put the wind cancellation on the device. It's not so good. So let's find the battery, which I believe it's that one here. So this is the battery inside here. It takes the NP-BX1, the battery. So we open here and we insert the battery in, the direction of the arrow is always go to the blue. So here how we're gonna put it. And let's open the micro SD and insert one micro SD. For better quality, I'm gonna tell you, for better quality, it's a good idea to use a dedicated extreme from SanDisk. This is my suggestion because I'm very satisfied with the SanDisk that at least can write at 90 megabps per second for high-speed videos. Like if you put 4K 60 Hz, it's a good idea to have a fast SD inside. So this is the box, this is the memory. You open here. I'm trying to do it with you. So there it clicks. It has a very strong spring here. And there you go, click. You see the arrow? There it is inside. So let's see if we power it on. You can protect the screen by turning it in like this, basically, if you travel. And as you see, the camera is already on. All right. It says it doesn't have battery. So, this is the Sony ZV-1 for all of you that you do vlogging. If you want to learn more about this device and have a video test of the footage of this device, please comment on the video and we will come back to this device. So, thank you very much for watching and have a great night. Thank you guys.